Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to XIAOMI Pad 6. Begin by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, tap on the same options on both. Firstly, I agree at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top, or simply click on gray area. Finally, you can select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of XIAOMI. Then go back to Nokia device and using all of those categories available at the top, pick multiple files that you wish to transfer. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. Wherever you decided when you are ready, choose Send next to Selected at the bottom of Nokia smartphone. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on XIAOMI Pad. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then select Receive. So when I click, as you can see, I need to select one of those options in Personalize Your Ad Experience pop-up. Select Close this window and finally access all of my transferred files. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!